Hey everybody, it's Rabbi Shmuel Pon. Welcome back. This is the channel where we take ancient Jewish wisdom and we apply it to help us understand and solve the problems of today, which it can do. And we have plenty of problems, and one of them is typified in the documentary that recently came out about Harry and Meghan Markle. Prince Harry of Buckingham Palace. They came out with a documentary. It did not get very good reviews, and there are different reasons for that. But the real takeaway from this film is not about whether Meghan was targeted because of her race. It's not about her disrespect for the crown, which is somewhat disconcerting. The issue of that we should take away from that film is the issue of the paparazzi, because we see from that film how the paparazzi ruined Harry and Meghan's life. That they could not live in England anymore. They had to go to America because they could not survive the onslaught of cameramen that are constantly harassing them and getting no help from any of the authorities, their lives being ruined, so they had to move to another country. And my question is, would this be allowed in Judaism? And the answer is absolutely not. Judaism would not allow anyone to harass anyone else and put their lives in danger without being compensated. And if they are literally putting their lives in danger, like happened to Princess Diana, the most beloved woman ever. She died because the paparazzi were chasing her. And in this case, in this documentary, they talk about how they had to do evasive driving. Evasive driving means fast driving, dangerous driving where you go in and out, try to avoid someone chasing you. Nobody legally should be allowed to be chasing you at all, because it is putting your life in danger. It is called a rodef, a pursuer of someone's life. And the rodef is liable for the death penalty. Yes, the rodef is supposed to be killed before he's allowed to pursue somebody else's life. And that is sane. That is normal. That makes sense. That is common sense. Nobody should be allowed to put somebody else's life in actual danger without paying for it seriously. So the people who caused Princess Diana's death have blood on their hands. They should be liable for the death penalty for causing the chase that caused her to drive recklessly, that caused her to die. This person is a murderer. There's no two ways about it. A murderer is somebody who causes someone's death intentionally, and they were intentionally chasing her, and they intentionally caused her death. They had the mens rea, they had the intent, they knew exactly what they were doing, they knew they were causing the danger, and therefore they would be liable for the death penalty under any normal system. Even in America and England, there are laws about harassing people harassing you, and it was brought up in the documentary that Meghan said, how is it that if I would be a regular person and six guys with cars would be around me taking pictures of me and harassing me and not letting me live my life, wouldn't you do something about it? And the cop said, yeah, we would do something about it, but it's because of the person that you're dating. Because you're dating Prince Harry, we're not allowed to do anything about it. You're supposed to just expect the fact that your life is allowed to be ruined. No, no, no. Celebrities are people. They are human beings. They have succeeded at life to a tremendous degree. They deserve at least the amount of safety and dignity that a regular person has. You should not be allowed to take of a picture that is unauthorized. You should only be able to take a picture that the celebrity agrees should be taken. If you want to do a photo shoot, do a photo shoot. No other pictures. There should be a law that no other pictures may be taken. And if somebody does take a picture and sends it to a tabloid and they use it to ruin the life of the celebrity, they should be fined. And all that money that they gained from the tabloid should be taken away. There should be an extreme fine to make sure that nobody profits from ruining somebody's dignity. Nobody profits from putting other people's lives in danger. That's what Judaism would do. They would consider them a rodef, a pursuer of someone's life, and a rodef would be tried for the death penalty. And never would a picture be allowed to be taken that would cause embarrassment, because in Judaism, you also have to pay for any embarrassment that you cause someone else financially. So if they take a picture of someone that's embarrassing and they put that in a newspaper, all that money that they profited needs to be taken away, and they have to have an additional fine for causing someone embarrassment. Embarrassment does not go unrecompensed. This system, the way it's happening to celebrities now, is so unfair, so dangerous, so wrong, so reckless, it absolutely needs to be stopped. Judaism is something that we can all learn from, and we can learn how it has laws against putting people in danger, and laws against embarrassing someone, and laws against taking away someone's privacy and dignity. In Judaism, there are rules against that, and they would apply equally to celebrities as they apply to regular people. If it can't be done to a regular person, it shouldn't be able to be done to a celebrity. We need to return the dignity and respect and privacy to our celebrities' lives. These are people that just happen to have succeeded more than most people, and they deserve safety and privacy and respect just like anyone else. There should be laws passed, anti-paparazzi laws. These cameramen should be stopped. They've gone on too far, too long, and they've exploited people too much, and it's time that it comes to an end. It's time that there will be anti-paparazzi laws passed, and it should have been passed the moment that Princess Diana was killed. People should have gotten together in a committee and realized that this is the problem, and this is what needs to be targeted, this is what needs to be stopped. Cannot have people living their lives with 100 cameramen all around them at every single moment of the day. Who can live like that? Nobody should be asked to live like that. And for what crime do they live like that? Just because they were successful, because they're in a high status in our society? Those people, because they're in a high status, should use their status to get a law passed that prevents, that stops, that prohibits people from taking unauthorized pictures. And let's put the paparazzi out of business today. God bless.